Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I want to show you a folio flip that I made, and it's like a nature folio, and there's a lot of flowers and butterflies, birds, mushrooms, so I want to show you and explain a little bit how I made it. So for the closure, there's a piece of hand-torn fabric. I made a little closure out of it. And here is the first page. For the first page, there's a beautiful flower image with a beautiful butterfly. Then you flip this way, and there's two sides. And I used a large book that I have. I think it's a map book, and I use the pages. They're thick, and I use them to make the folio, so it's strong and thick and heavy. I think it's 11 by a little bit more than 7 inches, and it's heavy and strong. So let me show you inside. And I used a lot of vintage books that I have. I used a flower vintage book, and I used an encyclopedia book with beautiful images from birds and flowers, and another couple of books that I have. So for this part, let me show you this one first. And I made a beautiful collage with the vintage flower book, and I have a label here with lace, and then you open this way, and you have a window envelope on this side, and it flips, and there is tea-dyed paper and places for you to write. You can write here in the back. There's a little tag inside, and there is a large tag in the back. It's a pocket. So for this large tag, there's a beautiful bird image, a label, a collage dictionary page, and you can write in the back. And then on the other side, there are 3 pockets I made with 3 beautiful bird images, and each one has a little tag. This one, beautiful flower image. This one, and this little one. And you can journal in the back of all of them. And everything, I made collages for all the tags. And then you close this part to open the other side. And on this side, let me see if I am straight. Okay. For this side, you flip this part, and it's a beautiful collage I made, lace, and I didn't want to use a lot of fabric for this folio, and my folios, usually I don't use that much fabric because it makes the folio bulky, and like it's hard to close it. Even it's harder than it is right now, so I like to use only a little bit. So I have little pieces of lace here and there, and of course all the tags have some fabric on the top, but otherwise I didn't use that much fabric for decoration because I don't want to make it too bulky. So there's a beautiful collage with a label here, and you flip, and inside there's another flip, and here it's a tag, mushroom tag, label, and here it's a beautiful tea-dyed paper image of a bird, and there's another pocket in the back. And for this, it's a journaling card that I made using some vintage, I guess they are index card separations. They all have a letter on the top, so I used this one, and I made journaling card with a beautiful tea-dyed paper in the back, my collages, and then you flip it, and on the other side there's two flips here. There's one flip, and there is another flip here, and there are two pockets. One tag here, butterfly label, flower, tea-dyed paper, and on the other pocket it's another tag, flower and a label, and tea-dyed paper. And when you flip, you can write in the back that's berry tea-dyed paper. And here it's a collage I made with a beautiful image from a garden book, label, mushroom, and there is a tag in the back pocket, and it's a butterfly, bird, and flowers, tea-dyed. And this pocket, it stops right here, so it doesn't go all the way, so the tag is not that big. And then you flip this way. You guys can see, hope so. And then on this side, let me show you this side first. So for this side, there is a pocket in the back and a beautiful bird image from another large bird book that I have. The images are so pretty, so I use it for the back of this page. And it's a flip with a pocket in the back, so it's a tag here with a bird, flower, and collage, and again the tea-dyed paper and some lace in here. When you open, you have tea-dyed paper, and you can write in here, and it's a tuck spot on the corner with a little mushroom journaling card. Then for the center, this page, I made one opening and close part, and you have a string to close it, and close this way. And beautiful images from the flower book, some mushroom images here, butterfly, and then you open this way and this way. There is a pocket on this side, bird image, and a tag, another beautiful image from the flower book, or I think maybe it's the Nature Encyclopedia, this, with a label and tea-dyed paper. And in the center, I made some pockets out of vellum, and I made some little journaling cards. They all have tea-dyed paper in the backs, so you can write in them if you want. And on the larger pocket, I have some fussy cuts, pieces of flowers and some bird images. And on the side here, on the other side of the flip, there's this little plastic pocket with a small journaling card. And here it's a beautiful tea-dyed paper with doilies pressed in the tea-dyed paper. So you can storage anything right here. You can have your postage stamps here. Anything small you can store it in the vellum pockets. So then you close it. And this is my folio. You close this way, then you close it again this way. So this is my folio. I hope you guys like it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Thank you.